Hey y'all, it's J-Dog again. People, not in the comments again, but in real life, asked me about this hole here. And I'm going to show you how to fix this. Not with a hammer, but how to actually take it off and replace it. This is the center console rear cover trim. And if you don't have a hole like this in it, you can reach back here, get something in between in this crack here, and basically just pull on it. I'll show you what you can do if you do have this hole here. There we go. Straight up in the top, it's just a friction fit with these clips. And find yourself one on eBay's and get it ordered. All right, that's all I got for now. J-Dog out.